Hey guys, Greg McLeod for Elite Traders University and the Pip N Run's Forex Scalping Boot Camp. And I'm here showing you some trading I did this morning. Actually, these are trades I set up before I went to bed, and so it took a little bit of time for them to go to target. So we had the banker support levels that I use to get into the market. And I'm going to highlight them in yellow. We can see that, pound yen here, one of my favorite pairs to trade, was threatening this 147 whole number round number bankers level. Okay. And then it tried repeatedly, it was signaling from the structure of the market after this big push down. It was signaling that it wanted to go lower. However, we had some market maker manipulation where price was taken up. Taking up, trying to shake people out, but it never got past this banker's resistance level, right? And so then it just finally we broke a big bar. So if you did want to sit through this big bar below 46.75, price cascaded down and hit the 46.50, another banker level. Could enter it again. And we've got a number of trades at 46.25 and 46. And finally, we rested a little bit, but that's not banker's level. Next banker's level is 46.000. And we're probably setting up for a shot down there to the whole number round number. And that's probably what we are going to do. I know I was talking about the S&P might be falling out of bed. But anyway, we made a total of $32,436 in a single day. So, that is what we did, trading pound yen using my Pip N Run method. Now, if you want to learn how to implement these strategies in your trading, click the link below and watch the free training. The training is about an hour, and it tells you the principles, the 4 pillars that are needed for the Pip N Run system. And you learn those 4 pillars, and then there's also a free strategy session with one of my team, so you can implement this in your trading. And also ask them what scholarships are available if you would like to work with me on a one-on-one basis. If you think that it would be beneficial, if we think that we can help you, then we'll offer you the opportunity to be able to work with us. So make sure that you enter your email address and register to watch that free training. I'll talk to you soon. This is Greg McLeod from Elite Traders University. Peace and pips. Cheers.
If you felt a spark here and want to see how these principles can be used in your own trading, go to www.elitetradersuniversity.com/apply to book a free session with our team. We have helped hundreds of people remove the frustration and obstacles in trading to become consistent, highly profitable traders. These are proven principles that just work. Happy pipping!